Soundfighter Systems custom designs and installs sound-absorbing noise barriers and sound walls made specifically for municipal water pump systems. Materials like metal, wood, and PVC have traditionally been used for water pump screens and enclosures, but they often reflect sound, creating an amplifying effect and redirecting noise back over into surrounding areas. Our advanced absorptive materials provide a much more effective solution, trapping and breaking down the sound frequencies, diffusing them completely. We provide turnkey solutions for noise reduction around municipal water pump systems. Working with our clients on sound studies and modeling, barrier design, planning, regulatory compliance, and sound wall installation. Our sound-absorbing panels are acoustically tuned, non-conductive, lightweight, easy to assemble, low maintenance, and will not rust, rot, or stain. Our walls are the most effective noise abatement solutions available for this very demanding application, outperforming and outlasting all other noise reduction products in their class. Let Soundfighter help you overcome your noise problem with one of our 100% absorptive noise barrier systems. Soundfighter Systems, making the world a quieter place.